Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still am looking at this as a possible A, possible B, and I still think it is going to go down most likely to at least 100% to make a wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it definitely went up pretty far, and it actually could go up and take out these highs before it really does end up going down. But I still think either after it takes out the highs or if it does make a lower high, either way, I still think eventually it is going to go down and start a big move to the downside like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, we definitely had a pretty significant turn down. Now this could definitely be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, and it may actually be pretty likely it goes up and takes out the high. We're going to have to see what it does on sort of time frames to really evaluate whether this really is the end of a crescent or not. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got impulsive down. As you can see, I would always label this as either a wave A or wave 1. We got corrective up. I would always label this as either a wave B or wave 2. Now if it goes down to a Fibonacci level and we get a nice big bounce at a Fib level, then I would know that it was a wave C, or I'd exit my shorts and go long again. If it just makes a normal bounce with no break of struts or anything and just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then I would just hold on to my shorts and potentially even add to my position for the continuation of the downtrend. So I like to call that learning and earning at the same time. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a downtrend. As you can see, looks like it should be either an A or a 1. I think this is a crescent, either a B or a 2. Like I said, we are now either in a 3 or a C, which should at least go down to one of these lower fib levels, either scenario. If it goes down to a fib level, makes a clear break of structure, then I would exit my shorts and go long. If it goes down to a fib level, but instead of making a break of structure, it just makes like a regular normal pullback, then I will just hold on to my shorts, and I may even add to my position to build a position to the short side for the continuation of the downtrend. So like I said, I have no idea whether it's an ABC or 1, 2, 3, but I definitely will be learning and earning at the same time. And if it proves to be a wave C, then I'll definitely get out of my shorts and I'll definitely go long again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.